In this video, you are going to see how to clear the memory in ChatGPT if it is showing full. As you can see here, it will show a pop-up message like this saying memory almost full. This memory includes all your previous chat history that is stored in ChatGPT. Follow along with me so that you can free up the storage. So let's start. Click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner and choose the personalization option. After that, scroll down a bit in personalization and you can see the memory section. Right beside it, you can see the manage option. Click on it. Now, as you can see, these are saved memories. To delete them, you can remove them one by one as per your liking, or you can click on the delete all button at the bottom. What this basically does is whatever things are shown here are the memories saved inside ChatGPT. So if you chat again after a few days, since it is in memory, ChatGPT can access the previous information and respond based on that. So if you clear these memories, you will need to chat again from scratch. That's why carefully choose which one you don't want and which ones you want to keep in the memory. That's it, guys. This is how you can clear the ChatGPT memory and free up space to continue your chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it so that many other users will also get access to this video. And if you're watching this video for the very first time on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside to it to get notified whenever I post a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.